You didn't get into trucking to follow someone else's rules. You chose it for the freedom, the independence, the pride of building something of your own. And now, you've chosen CloudTrucks, and we're glad you're here. At CloudTrucks, our mission is simple: help you earn more and stay in control. Trucking comes with plenty of challenges: long hours, tight schedules, and non-stop decision-making. That's why we're building tools that make it easier to run your business your way. Here's a quick look at what CloudTrucks puts in your hands. Use Instant Book to lock in loads fast, or let auto bidding handle negotiations for you so you can skip the back and forth with brokers. And with no forced dispatch, you call the shots. Your loads, your schedule, your way. With instant payouts, you don't wait to get paid. Most drivers see the money hit their account within minutes of delivery. CloudTrucks gives you the tools to book the right loads, hit your revenue goals, and stay in control mile after mile. Hundreds of drivers use CloudTrucks to run leaner, earn faster, and work on their terms. You're still the CEO of your business. We just put your back office in your back pocket. Welcome to CloudTrucks. Let's roll, smarter, freer, and on your terms.